హైఫన్
పాత్ ఉంది కదా అని ఇంకా ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేయలేదు సార్ ఆ కమాండ్.
ఆహా, ఇదేం చేస్తుంది అంటే ఇక్కడ నుంచి రీడ్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే,
ఓకే.
ఎంవిఎన్
ఓకే.
బిన్ సంథింగ్ ఏదో వస్తుంది కదా,
అవును సార్.
విచ్ అని కొడితే అది ఒక పాత్ చూపిస్తుంది, దాన్ని రీడ్ లింక్
యూజర్
ఐఫన్
షేర్ ఎంవిఎం.
అది ఇవ్వు. ఓకే,
ఓకే.
అప్పుడు ఆ పాత్
ఓకే.
ని రీడ్ చేస్తుంది కాపీ చేసుకోవడానికి.
ఓకే.
ఇది ఇచ్చి
అది
ట్రై
ఇవ్వలేదు
చేయి.
సార్. ఓకే సార్.
సో continuation, let me take one instance. Instance name is Jenkins. Ubuntu T2 T2.medium T2.medium Ansible security group. It should be in one availability zone. Security group is an let's take 4. And here in the advanced details, I can use user data. User data use అంటే తెలుసు కదా, ఏంటి యూజ్,
కస్టమ్ అంటే కస్టమైజ్డ్ టైప్ లో ఉంటుంది.
వాట్ కస్టమైజేషన్.
అంటే మనకు కావాల్సిన డేటా.
So I have an interview question like while you creating an instance, but without logging into the CLI of the instance, I would like to install Jenkins. How can I do it?
యూజింగ్ యూజర్ డేటా సార్.
Okay, so what you will write in user data?
హౌ టు కనెక్ట్ టు దట్ ఇన్స్టాన్స్ కమాండ్స్.
Yes. So this is kind of local exec. Okay,
ఓకే.
ఈ word ని గుర్తుపెట్టుకో. It is kind of a local exec, means local executor.
ఓకే.
Okay, so this is a bash space or a bat space, shell space that Amazon is providing to us. You can execute. Okay, now what I'm doing,
ఓకే.
apt update, then I'm doing apt install open jdk -11 jdk -y. Okay, and apt install maven -y. నాకు ఇప్పుడు వార్ ఫైల్ కావాలి, జెన్కిన్స్ వార్ ఫైల్. Jenkins var download, copy this link, wget this link. Okay, then ఏం చేస్తా, tar xvf ఈ ఫైల్ ఇస్తా. ఓకే, ఇది టార్లో లేదు. ఓకే, టార్లో లేనప్పుడు జావా జార్ జెన్కిన్స్ .var అని ఇస్తా.
జెంకిన్స్ స్పెల్లింగ్.
ఓకే,
ఓకే.
ఇస్తే నాకు వితౌట్ లాగింగ్ ఇంటూ CLI, I I can able to see what it's going to start. But without doing that, I would like to what I need to get this one, the password. Okay, let's try to run with this. User data has already been base64 encoded. Fine. Now launch instance. It's running. Take public IP. Come here.
8080.
Not loading. Go to security group. Is it allowed? All traffic. All traffic is allowed already. So not executed properly, I think. Connect. So it is not downloaded actually. Okay. Now let's try to do Java hyphen version. Is it installed or not? Java is installed. Maven. Maven also installed. Maven also not installed. Okay. Maven also installed. Let's take this link, or let's go with this permanent link to listed. ls java hyphen jar jenkins.var. Oh, there is an error with it. rm hyphen f jenkins.var. Let's take this one. The latest one is having a problem. Copy this link. Duplicate. There's a problem. Java IO exception failed to start Jetty with Winston launcher init launcher Java. Caused an errors. Instance locker container startup failed. Let's try like this. Java Jenkins.var hyphen HTTP port number is equal to 8086. It's running 8086. I need to get this password right. Yes, I have this password. Let me reload this. Continue. Install suggested plugins. Now my Jenkins is started right now.
Yes.
Fine. So we already seen how to create a job by freestyle, right?
Yes, sir.
So how we can create by pipeline jobs. So that's the main
Mm.
job actually.
Okay.
Okay. So
Yes, sir.
actually that is a main job. So how we can do
Mm-hmm.
it. Let's see.
New
New
items.
item.
Mm.
I am telling it as pipeline job.
Okay.
Okay. And here pipeline is my job. Okay.
Mm.
Whenever you clicked on it, see it is
Mm.
giving only three options.
Yes, sir.
Right? And this job is on automatically enabled. You can
Mm.
give any description
Mm.
like let me pull some code. from somewhere. Wait, I have a file. Oh, yeah, found form. Yes. So let's take this code. This is a normal HTML code coming here. Okay. Uh, Fine. So let it be, and let me save and apply. Oh, it's printing here. It's not like this. Configure. This is testing job. Why I have written in means, so in our organization there will be a name, duration. I'll show one. Uh, we'll see after this one by stopping the recording.
Okay.
So I have a general section right now. I can so define something like it is what I'm why I'm using it. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. And let me go to the build triggers. So inside the build triggers, I'm not giving any build trigger, and I'm directly coming to the advanced project options.
Project.
If
Okay.
I click on it, it is asking the display name. So I'm
Yes.
giving just for testing pipeline. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. And if I come down, I could able to see pipeline section.
Yes.
Okay. So
Yes.
I have two options here in this drop down. One is pipeline script and one is pipeline script from SCM,
SCM.
source code
Okay.
management. Okay.
Yes.
So let's go with the first option. And in the down, it is telling me like script. Hey, you can write a script to execute your job. Okay. If you
Okay.
what script we will use here actually? What
Mm-hmm.
script? We use Groovy script. Okay. Groovy.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Are we using exact Groovy? No, we have two types. One is declarative, one is scriptive.
Okay.
Okay. These two.
Okay.
These two are from DSL language.
Mm-hmm.
DSL language.
Language.
So we have two types of the pipeline. One is declarative, one is scriptive.
Okay.
In this pipeline type of job, not freestyle. In this pipeline type of
Pipeline.
job, we have
Yes, sir.
two types of the pipelines again. Okay.
Okay.
One is
Yes, sir.
declarative, one is
Scriptive.
scriptive. So what
Okay.
is the difference between these two? First, let's go with the declarative. Okay.
Okay.
I don't know the syntax. Then how can I get the syntax? Syntax in sense script.
Okay.
Right side, try sample pipeline is option is there.
Yes,
If I
sir.
click on it, it is telling me like try a sample
Sample
pipeline.
pipeline. Yes, sir.
Okay. Hello
Yes,
world
sir.
or GitHub plus Maven or scriptive pipeline.
Scripted pipeline.
When you click on hello world, it is giving declarative pipeline.
Okay.
Now this is my declarative pipeline. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
always your declarative pipeline will start with pipeline word.
Okay.
So if it is a scriptive pipeline, it is going to start with the node.
No.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Like this. It's going to
Okay.
start with like this. Same thing only in the down, but the only
Okay.
difference in the first. Okay.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Now let's see. This is my pipeline. Now these are the stages. Okay. So
Yes,
let's
sir.
take, this is a checkout stage. Okay.
Yes.
Checkout stage. Now, what is the script? Pipeline. This is a declarative pipeline. Agent
Mm-hmm.
any. It has opened a bracket. Under this, we are writing some things. Agent any. Agent any in the
Mm-hmm.
sense, this job can run on Jenkins server or it can
Mm-hmm.
also run on the slave servers.
Okay.
Okay. So now
Yes,
I'm
sir.
not configured any other servers to run.
Yes, sir.
So Jenkins is deciding wherever it get the space, it will run.
Mm-hmm.
It is under /var/home Jenkins/pipeline job. Okay, we'll see.
Okay.
Now, under this, I'm writing the stages.
Yes, sir.
Under the pipeline, I open bracket. Inside this bracket, I'm writing stages.
Stages. Okay.
Inside this stages bracket, I'm writing stage.
Stage. Okay.
First stage is my
Check
checkout
out.
stage.
Okay.
Then I have opened one more bracket. In
Mm-hmm.
this stage, what steps
Steps.
need to be run? Okay, I given
Yes.
steps. I opened bracket. Here
Yes,
I
sir.
can give some steps.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what I'm giving echo hello world.
Hello world. Yes,
This
sir.
is going to print the name.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now which I all opened. I opened for steps. I have to close the steps bracket. I opened for stage.
Stage.
I have to close the
Yes.
stage. I have opened for
Stages.
stages. I need to
Yes.
close for stages. I
Pipeline.
opened pipeline. I need to close pipeline.
Pipeline.
Okay.
Yes.
Like in a
Yes, sir.
triangle shape.
Okay.
You shouldn't miss these brackets.
Okay.
Always these brackets will be in even number.
Okay.
Okay. If
Yes,
you
sir.
are opening one bracket, then you should close that bracket. Right?
Okay.
How many brackets you are opening? That many into 2. Okay, you
Okay.
are
Yes,
opening
sir.
5. In the sense,
Yes,
10
sir.
has to be in your script.
Yes, sir.
So simple logic. Okay. If
Yes, sir.
you miss any of the one bracket, it is going to fail.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Save, apply. Now, if I go for build now, okay, build now, it is going to show the stages here, stage view. See,
Mm,
stage view,
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
checkout, stage view. Now I have to go. Second stage is build stage. Third stage
Mm,
is test stage. Fourth stage is deploy stage. Like this, the stages will be.
mm,
Okay.
yes, sir.
Now, um, go for configure. Let's configure build stage. Okay. So first, let's finish the checkout stage. What does mean by checkout? What is meaning of checkout or source checkout?
Repository, sir. Source code repository.
Source code repository. What happens in this?
We'll link the GitHub source code here, sir.
Mhm. Just finish, complete the answer.
Like we'll link the GitHub repository, sir. That will get the URL and paste here, sir, for linking Jenkins
Okay.
to the source code.
Okay. So what happens by this?
Like Jenkins will retrieve the code from there, sir, and will
Okay.
provide here, sir.
Okay. So it is going to check out. That means it is going to pull all the files and
Mm.
pulling and keeping here in the Jenkins server.
Yes, sir.
That is checking out. It is going, knocking it, opening door. It is catching something
Asking.
and it is coming back.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So that is source checkout. Now echo. So in this echo, I need to provide git URL.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
in this step, I don't know how to write this in the declarative way. Then how can I write this script? I'm not having any source here. Whatever the example has given, already I took the example. I need something a step has to write in the declarative way.
Yes, sir.
So here he's providing pipeline
Pipeline
syntax option.
syntax. Okay.
If you click on open new tab, it's giving you an options. This is called snippet generator. Okay.
Okay.
Now in the sample step, which step I want to run? Click on Git.
Okay. Okay.
It is asking my URL. Come here, take your URL. Copy this. This is my URL, right? Pasting here.
Yes, sir. Mm.
I have pasted. Which branch it is? Master branch only.
Master. Yes.
Do you want to pass any credential if it is a private? Okay. It is a public.
Yes,
I
sir.
don't want to pass it.
Yes, sir.
Just generate script. See, it is
Yes,
generated.
sir.
Copy this. Come here. Paste here. So no need to worry about the script.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now if
Yes,
I go save and apply, build now, it is going to source checkout. It is going to download the my all files.
okay.
Now I need
Yes.
to build this one. Go to configure. So writing the build is same like uh, it's same like the same stages only. Let's copy this one. Stage. Inside the stages, you have to give the stage. Now 3 brackets and 4 brackets and copy. Under this, I will enter. Okay.
Okay.
I'll write
Second
here by
stage.
putting ash. This is build stage. Okay. Under
Okay.
this, I'll paste this.
Mm.
Here, what I'll do, I'll remove source checkout. I'll give build.
Mm.
Okay. So inside the steps, what steps I need to run? Okay. What steps I need to run? I can run shell one. Okay. So come here, shell script. Okay.
Mm.
So what shell script I need to run? sh colon mvn clean package. In build a clean package only, right?
Yes, sir.
So then what I'm doing, sh colon mvn target. My var file will be into the target only.
Yes, sir.
Slash star dot var. This is the var file in the target. Okay. And I
Okay.
have to get into from target slash my repository name.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay.
This is var file name.
Mm.
What I'm doing, I'm generating a var file. When it
Yes,
is
sir.
generate a var file,
Mm.
okay.
Mm.
So
Mm.
what happening here in that is going to be in the target folder.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Yes,
what
sir.
I'm trying to do here, from the target folder, take a var
Mm.
file
Mm. Yes,
and
sir.
convert the name into boxview sample
Box.
java var hello.var.
Okay.
Rename the var file name as like this.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
To avoid the confusion with my repository name.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Generated the script. See, it is came.
Mm.
Oh, double colon here. So I have to close this one. Now generate the script. No, double colon shouldn't come this. Come here. Paste. Remove this one and keep it here. Okay, like this. Let's do. Still, it is showing something error on the colon character quotation marks is quotation marks quotation marks. Okay, let's remove this one. Okay, now let me save and apply and build now. See, build stage is added automatically.
Mm.
It is also success. If I see the logs, it is telling me MVN clean package. If I click here, it is show all the logs here. It is successful. Var file is generated here. Okay, I can close this.
The screen got stuck, sir.
My screen. I think the poor internet at your side.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's showing me the script on this.
Okay.
For every stage, we have to build separately, sir.
Hmm.
For every stage,
Sorry.
we have to build separately, sir.
Yes. For every stage, we have to write like that.
Okay.
Is it loaded now?
Yes, sir. It's showing me testing pipelines.
Okay. Is it loading now? I'm just highlighting something. Which one I have highlighted? నా మౌస్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది?
Oh, it's also not clear, sir.
Are you at somewhere like the poor signal at your side? Are you connected through the Wi-Fi or mobile?
Maybe there is a storm here, sir, because of the Wi-Fi only, sir, but there is storm here, sir, like cyclone effect, maybe I think
Okay.
so.
Okay. Okay. In Andhra.
Yes, sir.
Now is it clear? Because with this pausing
Yes,
screens,
sir. Now it's
we are
okay.
okay. Now can you just tell me where is my cursor?
Build, sir.
Build. Okay, fine. So
Yes, yes,
is it able to open this contour also to you?
yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now what I'm trying to do now, I would like to deploy. Okay,
Yes, sir.
I would like to deploy
Deploy.
into Tomcat. Let's create a Tomcat server. Instances, launch instance, Tomcat. Micro, Ansible. It should be in 1A. 4, 8, and just launch instance. నీకైతే ఒక కంప్లీట్ పిక్చర్ వస్తుంది కదా, అసలు ఏం చేస్తున్నాము, నువ్వేం నేర్చుకుంటున్నావు, ఆ, ఈ టూల్స్ ఎందుకు వాడుతున్నాం అనేది. హ్మ్? హలో,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
క్లియర్గా నాకు ఏమైనా కన్ఫ్యూజన్ ఉంటే చెప్పు,
Yeah.
మళ్ళీ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. నీకు ఏదైనా అర్థం కాని విషయం ఉంటే కానీ, లైక్
Yes, sir.
ఎనీథింగ్ ఎనీవేర్.
అర్థమవుతుంది సార్.
ఈవెన్ దో ఈ టూల్
స్క్రీన్
అర్థం
రావట్లేదు సార్.
స్క్రీన్ లోడ్ అవ్వట్లేదా?
అర్థమైంది సార్. ఇప్పుడు వచ్చింది సార్.
ఓకే, సో బేసిక్గా ఎందుకు
సార్
చెప్తున్నా
ఇప్పుడు
అంటే,
ప్రతి స్టేజ్ కి బిల్ సపరేట్ గా చేశాను కదా సార్.
ప్రతి స్టేజ్కి కాదు, ఆ పైప్ లైన్కి నేను బిల్డ్ రాస్తున్నా. ఓకే, పైప్ లైన్ ఏంటి? ఆ పైప్ లైన్ బాక్స్ ఫ్యూజ్ అనే రెపాజిటరీ. లెట్స్ టేక్ బాక్స్ ఫ్యూజ్ అనే రెపాజిటరీ ఒక మైక్రో సర్వీస్, లేదా మొబైల్లో ఉన్న ఒక అప్లికేషన్ అనుకో. బాక్స్ ఫ్యూజ్ అనేది ఒక అప్లికేషన్, ఆ రెపాజిటరీ అప్లికేషన్ అది. దాన్ని ఏం చేస్తున్నా, జెన్కిన్స్ లోకి పూల్ చేసుకొని ఆ రెపాజిటరీని బిల్డ్ చేస్తున్నా. ఆ రెపాజిటరీ మొత్తం డాట్ పారాఫ్ ఫైల్లో కన్వర్ట్ అవుతుంది. ఆ ఫైల్ని డిప్లాయ్ చేస్తుంది. ఓకే, గెటింగ్ మై పాయింట్?
ఎస్
let's
సార్.
see
ఎస్ సార్.
let's see now. This is my Tomcat, right? Let me download the Tomcat. Manager, setting meta env and vi context.html. Okay, config file and vi tomcat user.xml. And let me open the notepad. Escape colon w exclamation mark and come back cd bin startup.sh. So apt install open jdk-11-jdk-y. Yeah, let me start Tomcat. Now it is started. Come back, take my instance IP address. So this is my Tomcat, right? Colon 8080. My Tomcat is open now. Tomcat, Tomcat.
Okay.
Now it is logged in. Okay. I have to deploy my application here. Hmm? I have to deploy my application here. Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, sorry, I got a call.
Okay.
Yeah, so we need to deploy here. I need to write a pipeline for this, right? So first stage was checkout stage.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Second stage was build stage,
Build. Yes,
building.
sir.
Builded a war file that
Yes,
I
sir.
have to deploy into Tomcat. Okay. Let's copy the same stage and try to 1, 2, 3, 4. Try to write here. Okay. What I will call this stage? This stage I'll call it as deploy stage. Okay.
Yes, sir.
In these steps, I need to provide some steps which can copy from master of the Jenkins to slave side. Sorry, to Tomcat side. Okay. Let's see how we can do it. Let me go to my pipeline syntax. Okay. Let me come to first dashboard here. And I need to go to manage Jenkins,
Yes, Jenkins.
manage
Oh,
plugins. I need to
okay.
install one plugin called SSH agent plugin. Okay.
Okay.
SSH agent plugin I need to install. And SSH server, SSH publish over SSH, SSH pipeline steps. Select this and install. Now, these are all success. Let's come to dashboard.
That's good.
go to my job, configure, pipeline syntax. Okay. Here in the steps, I need to run an SSH job. See, SSH agent. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I need to select first. For that, I need to add the credentials.
Mm.
So credentials is like username with private key. Now what
Okay.
I'm trying to do is I'm copying a file from one server to another server, Jenkins server
Okay.
to Tomcat server through
Okay.
SSH.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now what happening here? Code ID I'll give it as deploy. Description also I'll give it as deploy.
Right.
Username of my Tomcat
Tomcat.
server.
Yes, Tomcat.
Ubuntu is the username of
Okay.
my Tomcat server.
Yeah.
Give it. And as I selected username with private key, enter directly a private key. Add this private key. So private key is nothing but our PEM file. While
Yes, sir.
we're creating EC2, we create a PEM file, right?
Yes, sir.
That
Yes, sir.
PEM file. So I have used Ansible PEM file. Uh, that is my PEM file. What are you here? Let me go and open the PEM file. This is my PEM file. Copy
Yes.
this, come here, without space, paste it,
Mm.
and add. Okay. Automatically Ubuntu deploy is added here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now generate script. It has generated one block.
Yes, sir.
Copy this block. Come to your pipeline. Under these steps,
Mm.
paste this one. Let's remove this one also. So block. Here, what can I write? I can write uh, SCP commands. Okay, shell commands. Let me go to my repository.
Mm.
I have Jenkins E here. Okay,
Yes.
I have steps. So let's copy these steps and I'll tell you. Come here. Okay. So what is the step? The step is copy. So okay, source copy without checking any authentication.
Mm.
Copy my target this var file. In build we
Yes.
have written right this one
Yes,
var
sir.
file to Ubuntu user. Okay.
Mm.
Let me change Ubuntu. Let me change to Ubuntu. It's not coming. Ubuntu. Okay. Ubuntu. I'll tell you this one. Ubuntu. Ubuntu. Now, first line. So from this target var file, log in with the username @ server IP address. So what is my server IP address of Tomcat is
Game
13,
point.
this one.
Yes, sir.
Come here and paste this one only, right here. And now, so this is my path of Tomcat home directory. Let's go to web apps, pwd, present working directory. Copy this
Directory.
path,
Mm-hmm.
and paste it here. Okay.
Yes.
Now, downside, the IP address is this one.
Yes, sir.
Change this. Username is Ubuntu. Change this. And the path, bin path. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
we can just copy this until 83. We can give it here. So what is this line explanation? First, copy the var file from the target folder, which is renamed by boxfill sample java hello.var to Tomcat server by username and IP address on in this path, in web apps path. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
After that, come to Apache Tomcat bin folder and shut down the Tomcat and start the Tomcat. Startup.sh, shutdown.sh. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Now close this bracket. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So fine. Save and apply. If I come now, build now,
Mm.
I should be able to see deploy stage.
Yes.
But it is failed. If click logs, it is telling that there is a permission denied. Okay.
Yes.
Which path? Web apps path. There are double slashes there. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Let's come back. Go to configure. No double slash. Let's also give like this. Save and apply. And come here. Come here. Go back. Give the permission. Change mode. 777 to web apps. Or you can give all permissions to Apache Tomcat also. Or we can also do mm, పర్మిషన్ దీనికి ఇస్తే బిన్ లో కూడా ఇవ్వాలి. టోటల్ రిపాజిటరీకి ఇస్తే కూడా ఫెయిల్ అవ్వచ్చు. లెట్స్ ట్రై టు డూ like this. Let's try to implement. Go to pipeline, configure. Web apps is not opening. Let's give the permission first and then come and build now. Still it is failing. Now see the logs. Shut down. Bin permissions are not there. Change mode. Now give it to the bin. Come. Cancel. Build now. నీకు తెలుసా చేంజ్ మోడ్ చేంజ్ అనేది
And the permissions కోసం read the right permissions.
But it is trying to say that okay, it is trying to say that still the permission is denied on it. Okay. So in this case, sudo apply line home Ubuntu Apache bin shutdown permission denied. Shutdown. Two shutdowns shouldn't be here. Configure shutdown.sh startup.sh. I think let's apply sudo okay, like
And in this step 5, are we first shutting down and then starting?
always if next time whenever we do any change, so next time we are updating something, okay, so if it is not shut down and start up, it will only look for the previous change only.
Okay.
So we have to all stop and start it.
Like updating it, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
So and apply will now. Oh, successful. Now you can see it has been deployed. If I come here 1 2 3 4 5, if I refresh I should get 6th one. See, I got. If I click on this, I can able to see my application. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Another method, if I come to configure, every time while I'm writing, I'm facing an issue here, right? Writing here in this dashboard. So instead of this, I'll copy whole file. Okay. I'll come to my repository. I'll create a Jenkins-E, any file name. Okay. The J should be capital. Okay.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Just edit. Control A. Remove. Control B. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Commit it. Committed. My file name is Jenkins-E.
Jenkins-E. Yes, sir.
And I'm coming to my job. Now I'm selecting pipeline script from SCM. Okay. SCM is Git.
Oh, yes, sir.
What is the URL? First let me give this one path, script path. And my URL is this one.
Yes, sir.
This one. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Here. Okay. Now I can write all the steps in one file. I'm calling it as Jenkins file. I'm keeping it in source code repository where my code is there, the same repository. Save, apply. If I run now, I can able to see success also. See, now it is freshly running.
Yes, sir.
See, now it is success. If I come here, I can refresh, I should get the same.
Yes, sir.
This is pipeline job. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Script కూడా సేమ్ ఉంటది. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
But the script is little different. If I go job, try scriptive pipeline. See, node, dev. సో దీంట్లో ఏమైందంటే స్టేజెస్ ఉండవు, స్టేజ్ ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, డైరెక్ట్ స్టేజెస్ ఏం డిఫైన్ చేయం, స్టేజ్ ఉంటుంది, ఎవ్రీ స్టేజ్ ని రాస్తాం. ఓకే, ఎవ్రీ స్టేజ్ ని రాస్తాం. దట్స్ ఇట్. నౌ సో you can use ChatGPT. Do you know how to use ChatGPT for DevOps for things?
Yes, sir. I'm using
Use
it.
use ChatGPT. Now come here and go to my code, Jenkins E.
Jenkins E.
Copy this. Come here. Hey, as your Jenkins engineer, I have declarative pipeline script. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And I want to convert into scriptive pipeline. Okay. Please rewrite with all correct syntax. Okay. That's it. So it is started from the node.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If we
Yes, sir.
copy this, come here,
Paste it.
Control A, Control V. It has written something differently because however it is going to pull a lot of things, right? So with credentials, private key credential, deploy key file SSH key, SSH fastware, var file remote server. Oh, it's using more things. Remote server directory. The issue is here credentials. SSH password. Let's see. Apply scriptive build now. Oh, deployed. Okay. Is it?
But we haven't provided that key, no, sir.
No. Actually, what happened? I think we already given the same ID. It took ID. And declarative we given ID, right?
Yes, sir.
Now this ID is converted as a block here.
Okay.
The same block we are using here. The same block. This block.
Okay.
This part is leave. This part we specifically enclose this in this block by what? Username and private key, right?
Yes, sir.
With those I have generated this block. So this,
Yes,
whenever
sir.
this block is going to execute, it looks for it.
Okay.
Okay, now it has done. Yeah. So two types of pipelines right now.
Yes.
Now you can able to see the difference, right? Here only stage, but in
Yes.
declarative we have
Pages.
stages. Inside the stage we write
Page.
stage.
Page. As well.
Okay. So both are same pipeline. You can use for same, but
Yes. Syntax is
scriptive is
different.
little bit complex in
Yes.
writing lines like
Yes.
this.
As well.
But declarative is too easy to write. That's why the
Yes.
name itself is called declarative.
Okay.
Easy to write.
That's well.
Okay.
That's well.
Now, uh, as of now, the issue is like open the paint. Is it clear, right? As of now,
Yes, sir.
very clear. I don't want
Yes,
any
sir.
confusions to you.
No, sir. Clear, sir.
Okay. Now the second thing is I have my Jenkins server.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This
Mm.
server is having 1,000 jobs.
Okay.
Okay. So
Yes.
this 1,000 jobs is having only 20 GB disk.
Mm.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Whenever I'm running this pipelines, 20 GB disk is fulfilled.
Yes, sir.
Now you are came and you're creating a new job here,
Mm.
and this server is not able to respond, right? If the
Yes, sir.
space is full, even your mobile also is not going to respond to you when your space is full, right? It will be slow down. So this process we call it as hung state,
Okay.
not hang.
Um,
Hanging means something you're tying to some medium and you're uh,
okay.
tying to another object.
Yes, sir.
Hung is something like
In like
you're not able to respond.
type of.
Okay, hung.
Yes.
Now it is
Yes,
into
sir.
the hung state. The server will not respond.
Yes, sir.
When it is in the response, so all your pipelines are going to be not ran, right? No
Yes, sir.
use. If you're doing production release or development testing release,
Mm.
okay, no
Yes, sir.
use. You don't want this kind of scene.
Mm.
So to avoid such a case, you can go with
Mm.
the concept called master slave configuration.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now I will attach this all nodes
Yes.
to this master.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then I will call it as slaves.
Yes.
What does mean by slave? Slave. I think I told you, right? I think I not told you.
Master of the slave server.
Server is equal to instance
Mm.
VM host mission node slave. Okay.
Okay.
Server is equal to instance
Yes.
VM host mission node slave.
Mm.
I'm calling here slaves means
Slave.
servers.
Yes.
Linux servers, it can be a Windows server, it can be a Debian server, whatever the
Mm.
server. Okay.
Yes.
So these are the slaves now.
Mm.
Now what I'll do, each slave is having 8 GB. 8 GB. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, whatever the 1,000 jobs are running,
Mm.
I can run one pipeline, like our scripty pipeline in node 1, A
Mm.
node. I can run the second one in B node. I can run another job is in C node.
Mm.
I can run another job in D node.
Mm.
I'm giving a names to this nodes A, B, C, D.
Yes.
Also, I can run each stage in each node also. Checkout stage
Okay.
A node, build stage B node, deploy stage
Right.
C node.
I know. Okay.
What happening here? So in my server is only controlling the job.
Mm. Okay.
Okay. It's
Mm.
only
Controlling the job.
controlling the job. The configurations are here. The configs are
Mm.
here. But
Mm.
it is going to deploy into the these nodes.
Different servers. Yes.
Okay. These
Okay.
nodes. So these nodes will use it. And whatever all files are there, right? All files are there
Mm.
be here.
Mm.
Okay. Not in the Jenkins servers.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let's see how it is going to be inside my node. Okay, let's see the master slave configuration. This is called master slave configuration. Interview question. Okay, what is the
Okay.
use of master slave
Yes, yes, the
configuration?
family. Okay.
Will you able to answer right?
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's come to my Jenkins. Dashboard, manage Jenkins, manage nodes. See, nodes,
Mm.
new node.
Mm.
I want new
Mm.
node. Built-in node is
Mm.
where my server is running right now with 4.81 GB free space.
Mm.
Okay,
Okay.
new node. My node name is I'll give it as dev node. Okay,
Mm.
it is a
Mm.
permanent agent. Create it.
Mm.
This is for dev node jobs. This is for dev uh, dev pipelines. Number of executors. Let's give 10. 10 times the job can run. Remote
Okay.
directory. Okay. So let's
Mm.
take an example from this one. So PWD. I'll take this as a remote directory.
Mm.
Okay. Of another server. Okay. Label. I'll give it as dev. So give small. Use this node as much as possible or use only when job with label expression matching this node. Okay.
Okay.
Anything
Okay.
is fine. Go with use with as much as possible. Launch method. Launch method should be launch agent via SSH. Host. What is my host? Let me create a new server. Now I will call it as slave. Ubuntu, Ansible, and this node should be in same availability zone. Okay.
Mm.
If it is a different availability zone, it cannot connect. Ah, so having this public IP address. Let come here. Your host. Host is equal to host
Public
means
IP address.
host means
The server which we are using. So
host means server, right?
slave, slave.
Just before I said
Yes,
server is equal to this many names.
yes, sir.
Just here only is calling with different names.
Yes, sir.
Here slave, their host.
Mm,
Okay.
yes, sir.
Credentials. I would like to go credentials. You want to deploy. I
Mm,
already created, right?
yes, sir.
Okay. Same PEM file I'm using. Same username Ubuntu I'm using. So I'll apply this.
Mm,
If you're using different one, you can use that. Host key verification strategy. So none don't verify any
mm,
strategy because I already provided those keys. Okay.
mm,
And availability. Keep this agent online as much as possible. Don't turn off. Okay. We have three
mm.
options. Bring this agent online according to the schedule.
Schedule.
I can
Mm,
stop this server on Saturday, Sunday. I can make it online on Monday to Friday.
mm.
So Saturday, Sunday,
Yes, sir.
unnecessarily I'm paying for it, right? Like
Yes,
that,
sir.
I can do on schedule.
Okay.
Bring this agent online when in demand and take offline when ideal.
Offline and idle. Okay.
Whenever my job need, we can come into the
Yes, sir.
online. If it is not,
Yes.
put it in ideal.
Ideal state.
Let's
Yes.
go with this first option. Node preferences. Do you want to go with any
Mm,
disk space, environment variable, to locations? Can go or save it. Okay, you have saved. If you click on this, it is going to run. This agent is offline because agent failed to launch the agent process on it. Why? This agent is not installed Java.
mm.
Let me come, take new one, connect to it. Sudo su apt update.
Java.
Now apt install
Install. Open jet.
open jdk. The version should be same on the both. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Must and should Java, but no need of install Jenkins in the slave node. Okay, వేరే server లో we no need to install Jenkins. Only in the master we need to install. But in slave node must be installed Java. Otherwise it won't connect. Okay.
But they're doing the same kind of jobs now, sir, without Jenkins also.
Yes, that is the Jenkins specialty and feature. No need
Okay.
of
Like
do it any.
we are connecting to it, sir. So,
Yeah, we are connecting through SSH only. Okay.
okay, okay.
Now launch this agent. I'm launching this
Mm,
agent. It has to
okay.
show me success. The agent is connected. trying to connect it again. Agent successfully connected online. No projects. Let it build. Okay. Now let me go to dashboard. Let me create a new item. I'll create a freestyle job. Okay. Git copy. Give this master. Come to build step. Maven targets.
Clean package.
Package. Okay. When I give, this is going to build in my master server. But now I want to build in the remote server, right? Now I can give an option in the general, restrict where this project can be run. Advanced. Okay. If I select this, it is asking a label expression. If I give dev, automatically see it is given dev. Okay. Otherwise reduce the list.
One node.
Save and apply and build now.
Directory run in that node, sir.
Yeah. Now it is building. Let's see here. If I give ls, automatically workspace came. Previously nothing is there, right? Previously nothing is there. See, we have given ls. Oh,
This is a slave, sir.
yeah, this is a slave.
Okay.
See, OpenJDK install చేశాను. దానికన్నా
Okay.
ముందు మనం అప్డేట్ ఇచ్చి sudo su అని చెప్పి ls ఇచ్చాం. ఓకే
Okay.
ఓకే here nothing is there. If I go here ls first job అని వచ్చింది చూడు automatic right cd first job ls all files are here downloaded. See my pom src all these things. Okay, it is failed. However, why it is failed? Chepu, why it is failed?
Invoke top level Maven target mark and build as failure.
Hmm. Now tell me why it is failed. Cost.
Maven install చేయాలి sir.
Yeah. In where I need to install Maven?
Slave sir.
Slave. Because the files are executing here. Right.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
apt install
Install Maven.
Maven-y. Now let's come and build this. See, it is success.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So let's execute the same thing on the our this one, right? This one. Okay. Come, go to Jenkins E. This is my file, right?
Yes.
In this any space,
Mm.
before that, let me check here. Okay.
Mm.
cd back. Workspace లో నాకు ఫస్ట్ జాబ్ అనేది ఒకటే ఉంది, right?
Mm.
I can only
Yes,
see
sir.
first job.
Mm.
Come back. Now, in any place, remove it and give it as open bracket, curly bracket, and label colon dev కదా,
Sounds.
and close this. That's it.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Copy this. Come to dashboard. Testing pipeline కదా మన జాబ్.
Mm.
Testing
Yes,
pipeline.
sir. Yes, sir.
Now build now. See, successful.
Yes. Yes, sir.
If I see
Yes.
ls, pipeline job I got, right? Hmm?
Yes, sir.
See the pipeline job. All files are came here.
Mm.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is how it works.
Mm.
Master slave configuration, scripty
Mhm.
pipeline, declarative pipeline.
Declarative pipeline. Yes, sir.
Clear, right? As of now,
Yes, sir.
plugin installations, user creations,
Yes, sir.
sequence jobs. We seen, right?
Yes,
Sequence
sir.
jobs. Is it clear as of now? No doubts.
Yes, sir. Awesome.
And one more thing, I have this kind of this one,
Mm.
which like the testing pipeline, and I'm
Mm.
able to see this kind of a view.
Yes,
Can
sir.
I change the view? Yes, can change the view. Go to dashboard, manage
My
plugins,
views.
manage plugins, available, blue ocean. Okay, blue
Mm.
ocean, web for blue ocean. Select this to install. Okay,
Okay.
manage Jenkins dashboard. Come here, open your pipeline. Oh, it is not integrated here. Blue ocean project relationship. Upstream, downstream, no. Is it not done? Why blue ocean is not coming? Configure. Manage Jenkins. Manage plugins. Available plugins. Install plugins. Then install. Options not showing. Wait, not showing. Not showing. Why? Oh, okay. Now it came. Okay. Now you can able to see open blue
Open
ocean.
blue ocean. Yes.
Okay. Click on it. Go back. Let's see for the testing pipeline with blue ocean. Okay.
Mm.
It's loading for different view. Okay. To understand the pipeline, we go with blue ocean. Not loading. It's not loading. Still loading.
Yes.
Not able to retrieve the data might be, but it will open a very colorful view. Okay,
Okay.
try it out.
Okay, sir.
You will not feel this is Jenkins like that. The colorful view will be there.
Okay.
Okay, as of now, it's clear, right? Clear cluster.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Jenkins is more better compared to that.
Yeah, see, every tool is having individual thing, but uh, yeah, Jenkins as it's free. Now we are doing everything, connections,
Yes.
connecting, configuring, everything is easy, right?
Yes.
How we faced in Bamboo,
Yes.
something some problem.
Yes. Yes.
Even though you're going with the correct configurations, so there might be a problem. We need to navigate more in Bamboo,
Yes. Yes, sir.
like project, plan, job, steps. Okay,
Mm.
they're not like this. Just create your things.
Yes, sir.
Clear, right?
Yes, sir.
If you're not having any doubts, then we can conclude this one. Stop sharing.